Hi guys, so I am slowly but surely reorganizing little sections in my craft room that either I don't like the way that it is or it's getting sloppy and needs a new style of organization. So I have all of my gemmies and enamel dots in these clear soda bins from Dollar Tree, and I kind of just have them in there, but I feel like I'm still like rummaging through trying to find stuff. So I'm going to organize them with those new Daiso Japan partition thingies that Andrea, who's Crafty Mom of Two, shared. So this is kind of like my before. Okay guys, here is the finished product. So I literally just cut them down just like Andrea said to do. So it doesn't fit perfectly in there, so you have to get one of the panels, but you just cut. It's so easy to cut with scissors. They usually snap apart like this. Bing. But you want a nice tight fit, so you just have to cut this, like measure your drawer wherever your drawer is and then cut it, and always cut longer. That way you can kind of shove it in there. If you cut it too short, it swivels, which one of my, see this panel, it kind of just moves a lot, unlike the other ones. But I do like the way this looks. So I have my red and Christmassy looking ones that transitions into like my pinks, and then purples. And these are those like clear rainbowy looking ones, if you know what I'm talking about. And then ones that I really don't use are in the back, like specialty ones. I don't use those as often as like a solid color. So I have my orange back there too, because that's definitely like Halloweenish. Orange and green are back there. And I have my whites, anything like whites. And I did go ahead and mix my enamel dots with my, like the gemmies before I had them separated. And now I'm just like, you know what, let me find a color, and then I can figure out, you know what, hey, let me use that enamel dot versus like a gemmy. So the whites. Then in this container, I have like anything that's like peachy looking. If the majority of the sheet is peachy, or, you know, you can see like this, or a coppery color, it's gonna go in here. Then gold, silvers, and blacks, because I don't have a lot of blacks. Those are all with my Halloween. So just lots of golds all in this panel. And then this one is if it had more than like 3 colors on it, it went in here, because this is my rainbow, as you can see, the rainbow section, super pretty. And then all the blues, and like I said, the orange and greens, because there's not a lot and I don't use them a lot. So I love the way that this looks separated. Oh, see, my panel kind of got too fat with the pinks separating them, but you can slide them around easily. I love the way this looks. Very satisfying having them all color coordinated and in there perfect. Yeah, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.